Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add lots or lookup tables in Capcut. Let's begin. Okay, so LUTs or lookup tables in CapCut are color grading tools used to adjust the colors and tones in a video or photo. Basically, they are presets that map one set of color values to another, giving your footage a specific look or style. LUTs are widely used in professional video editing to create a cinematic effects, enhance mood, and ensure consistency across footage. So, for you to be able to add LUTs to your video or edit photo here in CapCut, all you have to do is open the app, your mobile device, and from here you can start by clicking the new project if you want to start from scratch. But if you have like a project already, just click on it to begin editing. In my case, I'm going to be using this for an example. Now, for you to be able to add lots, all you have to do is at the bottom part of your screen, just click the effects section. Of course, you need to make sure that you go to the overlay and select the video that you wanted to add the lots. And then go to video effects, type in LUTs. So these are going to be some of the options that you can search here in CapCut. For example, I'm going to be using this like a Latin. I like the how it feels, right? And it will be added to your. You can adjust the speed and filter if you want, and then once you're happy with that, click the adjust and then go here and click the apply button, and then it will be added to the effects section. All right, so we're gonna increase that here. As you can see, it added the mood. It creates a different mood for your video, right? And then you can also add in, for example, a relight option here at the bottom to create mood affecting the lots that you have added. All right, for example, neon bicolor, you can add all these. You see there is like a directional look to how it would appear. You can add that. Not only that, you can also add it to the video. Go to the relight, and then you can add, for example, a teal backlight that would give you all these effects. All right, and now if you played through to make sure that you created a cohesive lots and of course some added effects to create a amazing stunning animation here in CapCut. So once you're done with it, the next thing is click the export button on the top right corner and then save it to different file formats and maybe send a copy for feedback to your client, or if you're working in a collaborative environment, send it to your team members. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.